morning, everyone. It's me, Jenny. Can you see my eyes? These glasses glare so much. It's Saturday morning. I just woke up. I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day because it's been a hot sec since I've done one. And like I said in some of my Instagram posts, that I'm just like excited to cook a lot in the near future. So I hopefully will make some fun recipes for you. Ty is specifically requesting pancakes for this morning. I'm gonna make pancakes, which is a recipe that is like my all-time favorite pancake recipe. I veganized it from the original creators of the recipe, which is my friend Emily's parents that used to always make these pancakes for us. And then the rest of the day is a mystery of what I'll eat. I'll probably do a lighter lunch because pancakes are usually pretty heavy. For dinner, I want to try out like a new recipe that I've never made before. I got butter on my favorite t-shirt. I'm gonna let that air dry.
You should change.
Coffee. It's pretty nice out. It's actually pretty rainy this week. I have to go to a makeup therapy session. Excuse me. Don't get it.
You guys come to Colorado, you can see me.
Peanut butter and cashews in acai bowls, like that's it for me. I'm like hooked on that flavor. So that's what I was really craving, was just the peanut butter and the cashews, honestly. Just kidding, the fruit is good as well. I'm gonna make dinner soon because we're going to a little like magazine premiere night of one of Ty's good friends, and then we'll probably go out and get like a drink or something after. Yeah, but I want to make the food because I'm excited to cook. Wow. Look at her. Holy cow. That literally made me the best salad I've ever made. I've never made any of this before, so I was really just winging it. Glad it came out. Highly recommend both. We're gonna finish out our night, hit the town. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed what I ate today. If you have any questions, as always, let me know. And thanks for watching.